In this video, we will learn how to add a new role and permissions in Hyperlocal. Now here, we will click on Roles and Permissions and then Roles. Now here, on the upper right side, we will click on Add New Role. Now you have to enter the role name. For example, I am keeping Store Manager for now. Then click on Add New Role. Now we will click on System Users, then click on Add New Role. Now to give access, we will add the name of the person whom we have to give access to, his mail ID, mobile number, password, and the role we want to assign them. Now again, click on Roles and then Permissions. Here, you can customize permissions. You can just tick on View if you want them to have view access. If you want them to have view, create, edit and delete, you can select them by clicking Select All. After assigning all permissions, you can click on Add Permission. Now the user can log in with their assigned mail ID and password to begin.